Today it's really hot here in Costa del Skotterud. I managed to cut some of the grass, but I have to get more gasoline to the cutter. But over half and more. So, and the dog. And I also got to fix some switch wires for 24 volts system inside the bus. And here I am again on my own on the lawn, looking to do some small works today also. Control some orders I have and many things to do. The dog. Yeah. So, finally a bit warmer. Inside the bus right now. It's hot enough. Here is the connection switch, and made something like this. Like this. So that's ready. Otherwise I made for 24 volts also into this. Some mess again, but who cares? When you're working, you're working. I think I try to get a newer coffee machine. Monka Master is the best, so I think I will invest in that and other things. So that's all from me today in Costa del Skotterud. Hot like hell. Good. Finally. Subscribe to the channel. I will get more updates when the bus is more fixed and a lot of things gonna happen. So bye from me now, Friday. Have a nice Friday, people.